If I take a full shower, does that automatically count as wudu? Wrong, but also not fully wrong. Let's break it down without confusion. Wudu is not just cleaning your body. It's a ritual with rules and structure. Scholars explain that wudu has 6 pillars, 6 things that must be done in the correct order for your wudu to count. Number 1, washing the face. Number 2, washing the arms up to the elbows. Number 3, wiping over the head. Number 4, washing the feet up to the ankles. Number 5, performing the actions continuously. And number 6, doing them in the correct order. If any of these steps are missed, even one step, your wudu is invalid. So a normal shower, where you just let water fall anywhere, does not count. Even if you shower right before Jumu'ah, even if you shower 5 times a day, even if you feel 200% clean, unless the pillars are done, it's not wudu. Another mistake Muslims make, they shower with 0 intention. But wudu requires intentionality. If you shower without thinking, I am performing wudu, then it does not count, even if you accidentally washed everything correctly, because intention is part of worship. But now here's the twist, the place where most people get confused. There is one situation where a shower does count as wudu, even if you didn't follow the wudu sequence, and that is ghusl after major impurity, janaba. If you had a nocturnal emission, intimacy with a spouse, or any situation requiring a major purification, then a full ghusl automatically contains wudu inside it. You do not need to repeat wudu afterward. Why? Because ghusl is the higher form of purification. So let me give you the entire answer in one clear, simple way. A normal shower does not count as wudu unless you intentionally perform the full steps of wudu inside the shower in the correct Islamic order. But when you take a ghusl after major impurity, that ghusl automatically includes wudu, even if you did not follow the exact wudu sequence. Because ghusl is a higher form of purification that covers the smaller one. And this is where many people get confused. Being physically clean is not the same as being ritually purified. In Islam, intention matters, sequence matters, and understanding the difference matters. Islam is simple, but simple does not mean careless. Know the difference between a shower and wudu. Act with intention. Purify yourself the way the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us. May Allah accept your worship and keep your heart and body in a state of purity.